Well, hi, I'm Z, and also my name is Anaya, and I am the club president of the UAF Photography Club. It is just a place for students to come who have an interest in photography. Basically, we kind of stagger business meetings, the important stuff, the agendas, between little workshops. So we try to do some fun stuff. For example, we learned how to use Lightroom. This semester, we're going to do a posing workshop. Okay, 3, 2, 1. We are here, right here in the conference room, and right now we are doing a posing workshop, and we're working with an awesome model. Her name's Amiko. She's super cool. We're basically teaching people how to pose, teaching people lighting. We have light set up, we've got flash set up. It's super cool. Create movement with props or whatever. So he has a really nice shirt, he has nice hair, he's got a cool long jacket, so if you can find ways to incorporate those. Beautiful, and then let it fly. Or yeah, just like, you're awesome, Amiko.
I need your assistance here. Thank you. Yes, you is.
A big thing with photographers is getting the experience, the hands-on experience. A lot of the events that we are planning and that we have had are just to get club members together and to go out and shoot, because that's the most important part. There are no requirements to join. I would say just don't come with a bad attitude, You don't have to know how to work a camera. You don't have to know lighting. We have people who have never touched a camera before. In our last meeting, actually, we passed around a camera for people to kind of feel around. So if you don't have experience in that, or if you don't have experience in the business aspect, you can also learn that. We have 3 officers, and we have all worked professionally, and we will help you to learn how to use a camera if you don't know how. I want people to walk away with a good experience and a sense of community, and then also something to plug for their future careers. Word.